Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram. I just took in this 2016 Toyota Tacoma. This is a four-door. It only has 26,000 original miles. It's the XP package, so it's got the nice wheels, step bars, got some nice badging, and has some nice upgrades. One owner vehicle, local trade-in here. Interior super clean. This is equipped with Bluetooth and backup camera. You do have a nice information display system there in the center gauge cluster. This vehicle is equipped with already a built-in bed liner, and then you do have some side pocket storage in the back. And again, this does have some nice all-terrain tires, nice wheel package, tow package. Very clean vehicle. This is the V6, which is the preferred engine. So super clean Toyota Tacoma. To find out more about this vehicle, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.